Hello guys, today in this video, we're going to help you to find out the best HOTO flashlight in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 5. Through-Night LED Flashlight Archer 2AV3500 Lumens CREE Portable EDCAA Flashlight with Lanyard, IPX8 water-resistant dual-switch outdoor flashlight for hiking, camping, everyday use, CDO. Compact and lightweight. Coming at 6 inches long and less than an inch wide, it is scaled down so as to easily fit in any size of hands, which is extremely portable. You could fit the Archer in your purse, backpack, or pocket and probably not even notice it. Well-placed dual button. Easily to turn the light on/off, but will never accidentally shut it off or change the mode when using it. Very reliable when it works. Bright and versatile use, with an output of 500 lumens, and beam for 93 meters away. Perfect for everyday use, like dog walking, home security, and emergency. Camping and hiking, etc. 2*AA batteries are not included. Reliable and durable. Powered by 2*AA batteries not included. You could buy the battery everywhere. Number 4. Mankeer RE12 Best 2AA Flashlight 650 Lumens CREE XP LV5 LED Tactical Torch Neutral White. Features: Emitter CREE XP LV5. Power by 2xAA batteries. Kindly note, the package not included battery. Maximum output 650 lumens. Output and runtime: Moonlight 2 lumens 300 hours. Low 56 lumens 16.5 hours. Medium 260 lumens 4.5 hours. High 650 lumens 2 hours. Strobe 650 lumens. Working voltage 0.9 volt 4.2 volt. Maximum beam intensity 2300 TeD. Maximum beam distance 96 meters. Most efficiency constant current driver. Maximum runtime 100 hours. Clip: stainless steel clip lens. Toughened ultra-clear glass lens with anti-reflective coating. Waterproof. IPX8 to 2 meters underwater. Impact resistance 2 meters. Number 3. Through-Night TC15 V32403 High Lumen Flashlight USB-C Rechargeable LED Handheld Flashlights. Ultra Bright CREE XHP 35.2 LED. Indoor/outdoor, camping, security, and emergency use. Cool white. Black CO. Please charge the flashlight before use, and pulse security down the light head and tail cap first before charging. Extreme output. Powered by a CREE XHP 35.2 LED, the TC15 V3 produces up to 2403 lumens with a beam distance of 731 feet/223 meters. Please screw down the light head tightly before using. USB-C Fast Rechargeable. Powered by a rechargeable IMR battery cell, the TC15 V3 features built-in USB Type-C charging port and a battery level indicator, so you can know when it's time to top up. Battery and charging cable included. Number 2. OLIJT is 2RTI 1150 Lumens EDC Flashlight USB Magnetic Rechargeable Torchlight equipped with variable output side switch and dual direction pocket clip. MULT FUNCTI on side switch. It has several modes to choose from, including 3 standard modes: Turbo, Moonlight, and Strobe. It features a battery indicator located on the side switch so you always know when to charge. Any further problems with the product, please free to contact us. 1150 LUMEN output. S2RTI can produce a maximum output of 1150 lumens. Includes a rechargeable battery which is charged magnetically through the tail cap charging cable. Most QRNTBDRSION and Premium Beam. It's the upgraded version of the popular S2R predecessor. Brand new tire lens design producing a perfectly balanced beam. Perfect grip and portability. Small square texture build for perfect grip and portability. It's 5% shorter than S2R. Number 1. HOTO Flashlight Lite Zoomable LED USB-C Rechargeable 1000 lumens 5 modes SOS and Strobe. Tactical and portable handheld flashlight for camping, emergencies, home use, etc. 1000 Lumens and 5E mode is SOS mode, using imported high-power lamp beads with the measured brightness reaching 1000 true lumens. Click the power button to switch between 3 levels of brightness: low light / medium light / high light. The SOS button is more convenient and quick to operate. 2 flashing modes, SOS and Strobe, are available for selection, and double protections for warning and seeking help. The light is soft and stable, thus effectively reducing visual fatigue. USB-C charging and 24 HOTOs. Hold the telescopic flashlight head and reveal the USB-C fast direct charging port. The telescopic hidden charging port can block dust and splashing water. The 2600 mAh large capacity rechargeable battery can last up to 24 hours, reassuring users in spite of long-term use.